In this tutorial, we'll be showing two ways to store media. Here you can see a search results page for sharks. You'll notice a little plus sign on the icon for each one of these pieces of media. By hovering over the plus sign, we see the words Add to Quick List. By clicking on the plus sign, we now see a check mark, and a little pop-up shows us here that our media has been added to the quick list. We can do this as many times as we want to add to the quick list. Think about the quick list as the least permanent form of storing media. Possibly this is a place to put media you want to review at a later point in time. The quick list resides in the bottom left-hand corner, and by clicking on the quick list, we can now see a thumbnail of all the pieces of media we've added. When we have time, we can double-click on the media to view it, and then we can decide if we want to keep it or get rid of it. To get rid of the media, we simply click on the X, and now it's off of our quick list. But if there's a video here that we like, we can click on the drop-down options menu, and we can add it to My Content. My Content is a more permanent place to store your files, and also has more organization. You can see here that we're going to select the My Content folder, and I'm going to go ahead and add another folder and call it Sharks. We can add as many folders or subfolders as we like, and we can now save our media directly to these folders. And again, we could go to the quick list, go to the options, and add to My Content, and put it into our Sharks folder. We could also do this directly from the search results page. We can click on any piece of media that we want. Maybe we've already viewed this media. We can add it directly to My Content. Now that we've added media, we need to find My Content. My Content is located under the My DE page, the first page that you get to when you log into Discovery Education. And as we showed in the beginning of the presentation, the My Content folder is directly in the middle. And here you'll see the Sharks folder we've created with all the media that we've already included in.